Hey guys, so today I'm excited to bring you another product from Cup Holder Hero. It's the cup holder liners for a 2016 to 2020 Honda Pilot. If you guys remember, I did a video on my Accord. I really love these things. It adds that little touch to your car and it's very functional, helps protect the interior of your car. They go in all the little pockets here. They have one for every little area in this car. So I highly recommend these things. Like I said, they're a very simple product, but they are very useful and make cleaning your car inside a whole lot easier. And the biggest plus too is when you have stuff in here, you don't hear it rattling around. It adds that little cushion, because you see here there's just hard plastic, so everything you put in here rattles. So I love these things. I'm excited to try it out for the new Pilot. I'll put a link in the description for these so you guys can check them out. Okay, so I'll go ahead and open them up and we'll get started. So guys, here are all the pieces. I have a lot here and then I put some here. I was kind of sorting through them. And if you guys haven't seen my my video that I got these for the Accord, they're really nice. They're nice and thick. They have little tabs on them so you can take them out. They're grippy on the back, so they stick really well in place. And they make them, as you can tell, there's a ton of pieces for pretty much every little cubby in this car. So I like it. It's all custom fit. Now, if you go on the link, I'll put it below. If you guys aren't sure where they go, they have a diagram of where every piece goes. And on this car, there's different pieces. If you have the 7-passenger one with the captain's chairs in the middle, or like I have the bench, uses different pieces. So if you're not sure, just go to that link. For every application they have, they tell you where they all go. So at first you're like, man, where all these pieces go? But it's kind of like a puzzle, you know. You figure it out. You kind of know like the openings here, like this piece here, you know, goes right here. So it just lays in there. Nice. Look at that. Nice little contrast. And they have them in different colors. So where you see this black right here, this little trim, they have them like white, blue, I think, red. Just check their website out. So you can customize it, whatever color you're looking for. I just got the black ones, just so it's pretty basic, matches the carpet. But they're nice. Then if you put stuff in here, coins, whatever, it's not gonna rattle around. The one thing I don't know Honda does, but I mean, like these cup holders, even in the Accord like that, they're just hard plastic. I mean, they even have texture on them. You see that? It doesn't do anything to make it quiet. You have a coffee mug in here, rattles around. It's kind of annoying, but you know, this kit will solve that problem. Like for example, like these. They just drop right in here. Perfect. Now nice and quiet, you put your coffee mug in there. Not gonna make sound. If it drips coffee, you just take this out right here, wash it, put it back in. You don't have to try to get it like dried. If you ever try to get dried coffee out in here, it's kind of a pain, especially if it sits in the sun. So I'm really happy with these. If you guys are looking for that little finishing touch on your car, definitely check them out, cupholderheroes.com. I'll put a link in the description for you. Like I said, they have cup holder inserts for a ton of applications. Hondas, Toyotas, Lexus, I mean, you name it, they have it. So definitely give them a check. And I'll go ahead and I'll put these in there and I'll show you what they look like. I don't want to bore you guys showing you every little thing while I try to figure it out, but I'll go ahead and put them in and I'll show you the finished product. So guys, here's the extra pieces I have because I have the 8-passenger model here. So don't think you missed something. They do give you enough, depending on what trim you have, that you'll have enough for everything. So you have extra pieces there. It's no big deal. That's how they do their kits. Okay, so let's go inside and I'll show you what they look like. So guys, so here they are in place. Here's this piece, and you see how like exact it is. They even have notches with little ridges on here, so it sits right down inside. That's nice. This is the stock one it comes with, so you already have one there. They even have this perfect. Look at this. There's a little ridge in the middle, so they give you 2 separate pieces for that. Slides right down in there. Perfect. Get the cup holders here, so that's a plus. Come over to the door. This one in there. These ones. Even this little one down here, if you can see that in there, right there. We'll move on to the back. One here. The cup holders. The little cubbies down here. These cup holders. Now these you might want to, I did this to my Accord, just put like a little tiny piece of double-sided tape on the back, because when you flip this up, they're gonna probably flip out. Those extra pieces we have, this car doesn't have it, but some of them have a little tray in here, so that's where those would go. But like I said, you get a few extra pieces depending on what trim you have. We'll go to the back here. They even give you ones for these right here. It's one piece, has all the little notches. Look how perfect that's cut. Same with this side. This is a nice one right here. Perfect. And then this is a good one, especially if you guys haul like gallons of milk in here and you get little leakers here. It's easy just to pick this up here. Where's the tab on right there? There's a tab right there. And clean it out. So that's perfect in there. Okay, we'll shut that. Same thing with this side. You got door here, this right here, door cups, one down there, one there. So as you can see, they're just perfectly cut. I love them. They look like a factory piece too. One right there, a little piece goes in here, this shelf, and then this one, if you guys can see it right there. So guys, if you're looking for a great way to protect the interior of your car, you know, something that used to come stock on a lot of cars, definitely check out cupholderhero.com. Just put what kind of the make and model you have, the year, and they more than likely have something for you. It makes it really easy to clean up. I have them in my car. I've got them probably a month after I got my car. Love them. Just take them out, soap and water, and put them back in. It's kind of same thing like the all-season floor mats. Kind of the same type of thing. You know, it just really adds a little layer of protection. You know, especially if you drank or put food in your car or whatever, or have coins. You don't want them rattled around. It's a great way to go. So again, I'll put the link in the description. Just feel free to check them out. They're great, and the best part is they have a lifetime warranty too, and they stand behind it. So you can't go wrong with that, guys. And you get it like in 2 days. Fast shipping. Don't have to worry about that. So again, hope everyone's doing good, and I will talk to you guys later.